Hello everyone, this is Rajiv here. Today I am giving SBI Clerk Mains English section on practice mock. Let's do it together. Yet and fit. कहाँ पे बोल रहा है यार? Which of the following can fit in the blank to start the sentence? थ्री नहीं होगा. सी वुड टेक होगा. ठीक है, वन में तो गलत है. ये कैंसिल. टू she would take to the stage equipped not with her usual material but with वन एंड फोर होगा. ये बताना आना. Since the pandemic, the adverse mental health effect doomed scrolling has been researched more closely. Since the pandemic, the adverse mental health effect of doom scrolling have been have been researched. देखते हैं यार थोड़ा देर. Although researchers did not start to understand what dinosaurs were until the century. Creature of human. Stories of human. Go back. Century. Every year, passageway covered new underground system and passageway and chamber, extending the dimension of the world. देखो A B C D वहीं पे होगा. Underground wisdom pure. Scholar are unsure. after a traveling merchant or an island resident. The dash and and we feel from feel from red. सिमिलर टू मतलब ए बी सी डी डी मतलब एक सिमिलर वही होगा सिमिलर का होगा ही व्हाट वी फील इन हॉरर फील भी वही होगा डी सी अंतिम में होगा स्पीक की जगह भी देख लेते हैं पहला द फियर एंड द फियर एंड अल्टीमेट सक्सेस वी स्पीक फ्रॉम द फियर एंड अल्टीमेट सेटिस्फैक्शन we feel from thrill ride or speak to what we see नहीं we and we we feel from thrill ride are similar to what we pick in a sequel. Many later and many later and dash the white horse deceived नहीं received होगा देखो डिसीव तो होगा नहीं रिसीव्ड होगा कलेक्टेड भी हो सकता है कनेक्टेड कनेक्टेड होगा सही है यार वो रहा है अच्छा कौन कौन सा फ्रॉम द ऑप्शन चूज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ग्रामेटिकल एंड मीनिंग कंफ्यूज इनअप्रोप्रिएट है ना a separate challenge but just a relevant to climate in the sense which often viewed as a plea to one's best carbon removal would similarly attempt to score but it has not seen widely used widely तो सही है widely सही रहेगी कैंसिल जैसे relevant भी सही है if we cancel separate challenge सही है ये बेटा ई और ई बचा ली स्कोर रेस्टेड lung cancer long known to affect a smoker is seeing a significant a significant rise significant सही है ई कैंसिल unknown to affect सही है डॉक्टर मंडे चेजिंग कंसर्न एडवांस फ्रेज ये गलत है अफेक्ट तो सही है बउआ अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टेट ऑफिशियल, ऑफिशियल सही है तो कौन ऑप्शन गया? द पेशेंट इज रिफ्रेशिंग सीवियर, रिफ्रेशिंग नहीं होना चाहिए। एंड हॉस्पिटल क्रिटिकल कंडीशन, क्रिटिकल सही है तो ई कैंसिल। Refreshing inked, but who has been linked with severe has sister had been selected. Marx say that he has focused relentlessly, focused, focused, has focused, focus सही है to prepare and misuse previous management of falling to do. Researcher tracing hundred of new technology over decade reveals that reveal सही है, reveal का नहीं होगा, you can see ठीक है, that the pioneering hub for development typically domain a vast amount of misuse गलत है। अब सही है, misuse domain relentlessly that he has focused relentlessly लगातार। As the US and China engage in trade hostility नहीं होगा, हॉस्पिटलिटी होगा, ये गलत है। इंगेज सही है तो effort to fight global would another setback नहीं होगा। पूरा out of the one party is either find out in the metropolitan urbanization accelerate and encroach seem to be battling battling the metropolis of Mumbai as urbanization accelerate and encroached. State utilities which have huge investment infrastructure and infrastructure to operate the energy grid play. It was an uncertain and stressful time with the added realization that working from home was not as much as fun I had originally. One morning 5 years ago, I have woken, up, grabbed the first sheet of paper I could find and jotted down whatever I could recall of. The ship built in New York, built in New York in Etna, had spent its early years in Etna from around the US and early years. नहीं पता चल रहा यार वो। Risks from the COVID-19 and increasing intense government have sparked the process of cleaning indoor air and देखो ए का एफ नहीं होगा, ए का एफ और डी नहीं होगा, ए का एफ और डी नहीं होगा, ठीक है, और ए का और कुछ है, हटा दो। एयर प्योरीफायर परचेज ड्यूरिंग द During the pandemic, to jab particle can help. B देख लो BF can interest particle can interest in can the process नहीं air buffer cannot fully eliminate indoor pollution but they can help with the help reduce. Water supply will not be noticed immediately but will gradually increase as the system build capacity. C देखो CF नहीं होगा but will in C का D C का F नहीं होगा C का D C का F नहीं होगा. Johannesburg New Ratan one of the largest 50 urban agglomerate in the world. BF होगा तो होगा BE नहीं होगा. Rand Water, the largest water utility source will supply potable water to in AF भी नहीं होगा हटा दो BE है नहीं है BD है AD है हाँ. The increasing population with rising consumption rate has increased the global demand for fish as a source of. A का E के साथ होगा वरना नहीं किसी के साथ होगा. The Department of Fisheries Department of India promoting and encouraging the adoption of approaches among the farmer producers. B D होगा तो होगा नहीं तो नहीं होगा. Given the high cost of production, only farmers who are able to avail subsidy CF बोल रहा है. Before there was TikTok for your you page or the news feed on the Facebook, there was a stumble upon a website founded Etna work for ushering user down online rabbit hole of semi-randomized website. The platform had dash style file kilometer tailored the content recommendation continue to dominate the web. ठीक है इसमें क्या करना है हमको अगर अच्छा mitigate काम करना reduce. The platform helped viable reduce है ना. सीमेंट मतलब नेगेटिव वर्ड है ये तो. And though it shut down in international was still grip on the people who grew up with it and coming to dash on the different and better time. Coming to when the enterprise was portable or symbolize embody. देखेंगे. A brief search of stumble upon on Radius reveal countless support dash countless support countless post passion inclination for passion inclination reveal countless support aspiration ambition for many there the mere mention of the stubble upon bring on a state of dash and nostalgia fortune and with all the dash love for with love all the enduring lasting love बी में है exemplar, portable. Coming to portable singular. In the metro policy of Mumbai, the urbanization accelerates and encroaches. Teachers and West represent what are the author think of sleep learning based on the first paragraph. Almost a century and a half, sleep learning swept the industry world, ending only after neuroscientists determined it was physically impossible. Yet today, a growing body of research suggests they were wrong. Sleep learning appeared to be heading for a revival on a far more solid scientific basis and than the earlier incarnation. By subjecting sleep to a few engineering fixes, we could minimize the time our brains are offline each night, gaining precious hours for absorbing information. Over many nights, we could vastly expand our stock of knowledge and skill, even treat stubborn addiction and psychology, all of which raises an unsettling question. Should question set, should the prospect we welcomed or dreaded? If we harness sleep for self-improvement, we will lose something essential about we will lose something essential. Vastly. Although Henopedia was never employed for mass indoctrination in the real world, it came to be widely used as a tool for the teaching new skill for the changing and multiple scientists study seemed to so it worked in a one study in a group of sleeping men at the Chinese Bharatna. The next day they scored significantly better on a comprehension test than a control group. In another study, 20 boys with a nail beating habit were played the phrase my finger taste Ratna Ratna Ratna. Particularly the technique grew popular and Ratna where people were set to learn foreign language while listening. Harness. The harness हो गया. The solution according is to harness the powers. He was fitted with more electrical harness. देखो टू तो एकदम गलत है. टू गलत है, टू गलत है, टू गलत है. वन दोनों में से थ्री. Who can harness established program to say. Finally today, yet today, a growing body of research. देखो almost a century ago, a fad for sleep learning swept the nation, ending only after possible. Today, yet ही होगा. or today नहीं होगा moreover because today moreover today yet मतलब हो सकता है भाई और कुछ तो बैठ रहा नहीं according to passage which of the following best describe the stand-up comedian in the UK scene. A well-known circuit comedian, C. Krishna UK often present a stand-up comedy scene. It is electric, unpredictable, and famously short. It is a how I tackle some of the most uncomfortable nah. She has never performed with the but it's Thursday night in the above the covered nah. Attempt to something nearly she would taken to the most of the rounding of this comedian in the actual. यार मिलता ही नहीं है क्या करें since the pandemic since the pandemic the adverse mental health effects doom scrolling it was an uh and देखो it was an uncertain आई ये में गलती है and नहीं है uncertain one morning 5 years ago ये सही है I was woken up grabbed the first sheet of paper I could find and jotted down whatever I could recall. The ship built in the New York in 1850s had spent its early years ferrying from around the US. Hmm, Not AI. AI का not true बोला है ना. AI entered the mainstream. देखो ये सही है. Chat GPT is the first AI to जो इतना कहाँ लिखा है चैट जीपीटी के बारे में यार? कि तुम्हारा ये चैट जीपीटी के बारे में कहाँ लिखा हुआ है? फर्स्ट टूल। सही है। सही है। AI impact on comedian. लास्ट 12 में। AI cannot adapt in real time, at least not the AI cannot able to. AI cannot adapt in real, at least not the AI tool currently available to public. Not the AI tool. AI model which help understanding the social factor, able to adapt to audience as well as comedy timing. Understand social factor and being able to adapt to audience as well as comedy timing. ये दोनों गलत है। एकेडमी के रोल ये तीनों गलत हो गए। Scientific consensus soon concluded that the sleeping brain were incapable of observing outside world, and hypothermia was considered to be real. चलो देखते हैं कितना नंबर आता है। 19.75 आया गाइस। गलत 9 हो गया। ठीक है guys, thanks for watching my video.